Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Here's another tutorial video about the Samsung Galaxy Watch feature that makes it Red Notifications Allowed. The One UI feature called Red Notifications Allowed is aimed to help you when you're in a hurry, or just don't want to take your eyes off what you're doing. In this video, I will show you how to turn on this feature so you can stay up to date without having to constantly check your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So let's get started. The first step is to open the Settings app on your Galaxy Watch 4. You can do this by tapping on the Settings or gear icon on your watch face or by scrolling through your app list until you find Settings. Once you're in the Settings app, you'll need to scroll down until you see Notifications. To continue, scroll to Find and then tap Advanced Settings. More advanced notification settings will load up on the next watch display. Scroll to find Red Notifications Allowed from the given options, and then tap to turn on the switch next to it. With this switch enabled, your watch will read every new notification you receive on your watch aloud when headphones are connected. And that's it. You have successfully turned on Red Notifications Allowed on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. This feature is incredibly useful for when you're on the go or just want to stay updated without having to constantly check your watch. We hope this tutorial was able to help you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to help our channel grow. We really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.